Welcome to this technical guide on diagnosing vacuum noises. This video is for electricians, engineers, and homeowners. We will explore how different sounds can help you quickly identify the root cause of mechanical or airflow failures in a vacuum cleaner. The first step in diagnostics is listening to the language of motors. Different sounds point to specific failures, whether mechanical or related to airflow. Understanding these sounds is key to efficient troubleshooting and repair. High-pitched whines often indicate an issue. A piercing whistle suggests airflow blockage, such as clogged filters or an obstructed hose. A squealing noise suggests belt friction from a stretched or slipped drive belt. These high-frequency sounds tell you if the problem is air restriction or belt wear. Loud rattling or vibration can stem from three main causes. Impeller imbalance results from chipped fan blades. Debris in the housing causes continuous rattling, and loose components, like motor mount screws, can cause the entire motor assembly to vibrate. Checking for foreign objects or loose parts is essential when you hear rattling. A harsh metallic grinding or roaring sound is a hallmark of bearing failure. This is critical to identify as it leads to excessive friction, heat, and eventual motor burnout. Bearing failure requires immediate attention to prevent total motor replacement. Electrical noise indicators include popping or crackling from arcing brushes. Intermittent buzzing or sizzling suggests a short circuit. A loud hissing may indicate the pressure relief valve opening due to a totally blocked airway. These electrical sounds often point to internal wiring or brush wear problems. When looking at the frequency of common noise causes, blockages account for 40% of issues. Belts and bearings follow at 25% and 20% respectively. Always check filters and hoses first, as most broken vacuums are simply blocked. Airflow blockages are the most frequent cause of unusual vacuum noise. Use this diagnostic checklist. Inspect filters for clogs, perform the coin drop test on the hose for blockages, and check the brush roll for grinding. For pros, use a multimeter to check continuity. These 4 steps cover the most common mechanical and electrical issues. Preventative maintenance helps extend the machine's life. Regular cleaning of washable filters and annual replacement of drive belts, even if not broken, will maintain efficiency and prevent costlier repairs. Maintaining filters and replacing belts prevent common issues like whining and squealing. Thank you for watching this video. Always unplug your unit before inspection. For technical support, please use the contact information shown on the screen. These are the image sources used in this video.